Dear friends and citizens of Hyderabad city, you are aware of the recent developments with regard to the battle against coronavirus. All of you are participating in this fight along with us, GHMC, Health Department and all other departments. The Government of India yesterday has announced the extension of the lockdown and also that how certain essential services would be facilitated so that common public is not put to inconvenience. There is a need to have better enforcement of lockdown, and we need your support in this regard. Just for the sake of your reference, Hyderabad City Police every day is working 24 hours to see that the spread of corona stops. It is not possible unless and until we get support from each one of you. And I mean each one of you means each and every citizen of Hyderabad. If 99% are enforcing the lockdown properly, exercising self-discipline, but 1% they are on the road, the whole purpose is defeated. These 1% will spoil the hard work, self-discipline of all 99%. Therefore, I suggest every family members, elders, not to allow anyone to move out of their house unless and until there is some most essential need. Hyderabad City Police yesterday booked 18 FIR against individuals for violation of lockdown, and 3,500 petty cases were booked against individuals for various violations. 14 FIRs were booked against establishments, and 182 petty cases were booked against establishments who are violating the lockdown. The traffic police have booked 17,000 cases and 2,724 vehicles were seized, in which 2,379 are two-wheelers, 167 three-wheelers, and 178 four-wheelers. We are also checking those who are coming out without any purpose, just for fun, which is absolutely not acceptable. 1,147 single riders were booked. 1,359 double riding bikes were booked. And can you imagine, 57 triple riding people were booked. 5 minors were riding bikes. I wonder about their parents, what responsibility they are showing by allowing their minor children to take out bikes at this time of crisis. Is it acceptable? Unless and until each and every family rise to the occasion, we will be in a difficult situation to check the spread. In the times to come, we will be more and more strict in the enforcement of lockdown. I once again seek your cooperation in this regard. All the officers, 24 hours they are working on the road, leaving behind their family at home. They are all doing it for your safety and security. Don't you think it is your moral responsibility to support them, to help them, so that an atmosphere is created in which your safety and security is taken care of? By helping the police, you are helping your own family. Otherwise, anyone coming out on the road will take back the virus inside your home and infect each one of you. I am warning you, I am alerting you, I am cautioning you. This is the time when we need to show discipline of the city, discipline of the state. I am sure all of you will appreciate the need and the urgency to do that. Thank you so much. May God bless this city and the state. Anjani Kumar, Commissioner of Police, Hyderabad.